Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Wirex and Wise. In order to do so, here we are at wise.com and we're also at wirexapp.com. According to Cider AI, Wirex and Wise are both financial service providers that facilitate international money transfers, but they cater to somewhat different needs and offer distinct features. Here's a comparison between the two. Wirex is a digital payment platform that provides a combination of cryptocurrency and fiat services. It allows users to manage both traditional and digital currencies in one app. Key features include cryptocurrency support. It allows users to buy, hold, and exchange cryptocurrencies alongside traditional currencies. Users can hold multiple currencies in their wallet and make transactions in any of those currencies. Wirex offers a multi-currency debit card that can be used for payments in stores on and online, allowing users to convert their digital currencies to fiat at the point of sale. Users can earn rewards in cryptocurrency for spending with their Wirex cards, can transfer between Wirex accounts are instant, and crypto to fiat exchanges can also be quick. Wirex is particularly appealing to those who are interested in cryptocurrencies and want a seamless way to use both fiat and digital currencies. Wise, on the other hand, specializes in international money transfers and aims to provide a low-cost, transparent way to send money across borders. Low fees. Wise is known for its transparent fee structure, often providing better rates than traditional banks with no hidden fees. It uses the mid-market exchange rate without adding a markup, making transfers cost-effective. Users can hold and manage multiple currencies similar to Wirex, but the focus is more on traditional currencies. It offers a Wise debit card for easy spending in different currencies and provides solutions for businesses looking to manage expenses and make international payments. Wise is best suited for individuals looking for a reliable, cost-effective method for sending money internationally without the need for cryptocurrency. In summary, Wirex is a versatile platform based on both fiat and cryptocurrencies, ideal for users who actively engage in the crypto market and want integrated payment solutions. Wise, on the other hand, is primarily focused on cross-border money transfers with low fees and real exchange rates, catering to users looking for efficient international payments without involving digital currencies. In conclusion, when deciding between Wirex and Wise, consider your needs. If you want to manage cryptocurrency and fiat all in one place, Wirex may be a better fit. If your primary goal is to transfer money internationally at low cost, Wise will likely serve you better. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you are interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look in your description. You'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find links to our X account. We've just gotten started there. We'd love to have you. We also have information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, and you can use discount code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your Sintra AI subscription, and you'll find links to Cider AI and EnzoBot. Click on those links to get started. We would greatly appreciate it. You'd be helping us out.